You're watching Option Rally TV. I'm your host, Amy Anderson. Here's a preview for June 5th, 2013. Coffee lacks its perk. Honest Abe loses Japanese confidence ahead of speech. And lastly, can you lend me a Google? Your daily review is starting now. The supported dollar pushed coffee lower as the dollar-controlled commodity was otherwise ignored during quiet trading. Depending on how the report from Abe moves, coffee will shift. In addition, actual coffee trade should resume to normal. Coffee opened Tuesday at 128.70 and nested in at 127.43 by the afternoon. The US dollar is trading slightly higher against the Japanese yen during Wednesday's Asian session ahead of a highly anticipated speech later in the session by Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. The anticipation sparked demand for the greenback on sentiments investors will buy dollars to move investments out of Japan and into the US and other markets. The numbers: US dollar to Japanese yen opened Tuesday at 99.53 and lifted in at 99.75 on Wednesday morning. Google has invested a total of $125 million for a 7% stake in Lending Club. This is a peer-to-peer loan website that offers personal loans to customers at interest rates significantly below those of credit cards and other financial institutions. Another splash for Google, especially during difficult economic times, to help consumers find cheaper solutions. Google stock has shed $16 through the majority of the week as it awaits the fruit of its investment. Keep an eye on Google progressions and do not be surprised if it soars back to the top. Google opened May 31st at 875.37 and nested in at 859.10, closing June 4th. Now for the market watch. The ADP National Employment Report is a measure of the monthly change in non-farm private employment based on the payroll data of approximately 400,000 U.S. business clients. The release 2 days ahead of government data is what Option Rally traders predict what will happen on Friday's non-farm payroll report. A higher than expected reading should be taken as positive for the US dollar. Log on and get ready to trade at 1:15 GMT. I'm Amy Anderson. For your daily dose of the market, follow me at optionrally.com and on my Facebook. See you tomorrow.